Most people get stuck with misplay issues and waste hours trying random fixes that never work. Here's the truth no one tells you. If you contact support the wrong way, your ticket can get delayed, or even ignored. And that is exactly what we are fixing today. In this video, you will learn how to contact Mistplay customer support in 2026 the right way, what options actually work, and how to get faster responses without getting stuck in automated loops. If your account has issues, missing points, or login problems, this will save you time and frustration. Let's get straight into it. First, the main way to contact Mistplay support is through the app itself. Open Mistplay on your phone, then go to your profile section. From there, look for the Help or Support option. This is important because Mistplay prioritizes in-app tickets over anything else. If you are like Alex, who tried emailing first and got no reply for days, this is where most people go wrong. Now here's where it gets interesting. When you submit a ticket, the way you describe your issue matters a lot. Keep it simple. Don't write a long story. Instead, clearly say what happened, when it happened, and what you expected to see. For example, if Jake didn't receive points after playing a game, he should just write that clearly with the game name and approximate time. This helps the system route your request faster. But here's the problem. Many users don't include screenshots. And without proof, support can take longer to respond. So always attach screenshots if you can. This alone can cut response time significantly. Now if you cannot access the app, Mistplay also provides support through their official Help Center website. You can search for common issues there like login problems, missing units, or account recovery. Sometimes you don't even need to submit a ticket because the answer is already available. Here's another key tip most people miss. Avoid sending multiple tickets for the same issue. If John submits 3 tickets in one day, it actually slows everything down because the system may flag it as duplicate requests. Instead, send one clear request and wait for a response. Now here's the final thing you need to know. Response times can vary. Some issues get answered in a few hours, while others can take a couple of days depending on volume. So patience is part of the process, but proper formatting speeds everything up. To quickly recap, always use the in-app support option. Write a clear and simple message, include screenshots, and avoid duplicate tickets. That is the fastest way to reach Mistplay support in 2026. If this helped you solve your issue or made things clearer, like the video, drop a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more simple guides that actually work.